Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Place several shapes at different heights. Select them all and open the align panel. Click align vertical center to unify their height. This technique works great for menu bars and buttons. Now apply distribute horizontal to separate them evenly. These designs suddenly become balanced and pleasant. Now add a background shape to highlight spacing improvement. Easily adjust space with smart alignment instead of dragging manually. Proper alignment gives you design a modern look. Perfect spacing across usability. No more guessing where shapes should go. The align panel does the match for you. Your shapes now maintain perfect geometry. This method ensures clean spacing